you and me.
In the mountains and waters of Taizhou, nature holds endless wonders. Three children set out with curiosity.
Back fast, back slow, back close, back close. Back, I love you. Let's find the bus, you and me. Back, slow, back close, back close.
Wow, what a beautiful day. The sun is shining and the little birds are singing.
The stream is so clear that you can see the pebbles at the bottom.
I'm sure we can meet a lot of our friends. It must be super cool. Let's go.
Hey guys, come quick! I found a bug.
Wow, Mike, you're rock. It's a stag beetle. It looks so cool.
Its horns look like a warrior's weapon.
Look at this. It's strong. Let's have a try.
Okay.
Now let's find more beetles.
Wow, so cool. Yes.
It's very cute. Yes, they are strong, but they don't fight. They are friendly to each other.
Tiny insects are all amazing in their own ways. The stag beetle proudly shows off its big and strong jaws.
The stick insect looks just like a piece of wood, so it can hide easily. See, it's very playful. Spider, you look very cool.
You too.
The longhorn beetle looks like an armored warrior.
Every observation is a conversation with nature. There is an old house ahead. Let's go there and have a rest.
Great. Let's go.
Look at the sauces on the wall.
There are so many bamboo works here. Amazing!
小朋友好，
Hello, Grandpa. Nice to meet you.
对这个东西蛮感兴趣的吧？
Yes, they're amazing.
We are all deeply attracted.
Just like the stag beetle.
When bugs meet bamboo weaving, the life of nature and the warmth of craftsmanship start to weave a new story. Children play with bamboo strips, their laughter spreading across the countryside. In the children's hands, bamboo strips turn into lively creatures. The spark of the traditional craftsmanship lights up a new chapter in the children's laughter. Aha! The grandma is super happy!
My stag beetle is coolest.
那在
Look, mine seems likely to fly.
在的吗？
Which one's more lively?
这个的吗？
Go, go, go! Go and find your friends.
My little cutie, please stay with me. We are adventure buddies forever.
Now it can be the guide of the forest. Goodbye, bye. See you next time.
As the sun sets and turns the land golden, we leave nature untouched and take our memories with us. Tradition and nature continue to interact forever, watched over by a childlike sense of wonder.